Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel GAMCA medical appointment. To cancel your GAMCA medical like GAMCA medical appointment, you can contact the GAMCA support team through the following methods. So the first method is email. Their email number is, let me write it on here search bar. Their email address is info at the rate of GAMCA medicalappointments.com, and also their phone number is 919488072911. You can contact them through these addresses. Now let's move forward to the second steps. Here are some important things to keep in mind before canceling. You have to cancel within 48 hours. If you cancel your appointment within 48 hours of booking and GAMCA slip has not been generated, a cancellation fee of 250 will apply. After GAMCA slip generation, once your GAMCA slip is generated, cancellation is not permitted. Different policy. If you cancel your service, a cancellation fee of 586 rupees will be deducted from your refund. The remaining amount will be credited to your account within 7 to 10 working days. Now, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.